the smartest golf course management. Introducing Meissa Green. Golf course management and operation are challenging. It requires a significant amount of manpower and time to identify and manage issues on the expansive course. Task instructions are done manually, remedial records are kept in Excel, and course measurements are taken with a ruler. It is difficult to adequately convey the ever-changing beauty of our golf course. Meissa Green addresses these challenges all at once. In just 30 minutes a day, after the drone completes its automated flight, you can sit in your office and easily assess the health of the turf at a glance. All the captured data is recorded. You can give instructions and record progress on the tasks over the panoramic map of the golf course taken today without going to the site. Precision measurements are possible without being on site. After each session, vivid 2D and 3D renderings capturing the lively beauty of our golf course are generated. How are Meissa Green's features implemented? Simply set the flight path on the tablet, and the drone automatically takes off, initiating the golf course capture. During this process, the drone collects information about the golf course layout and turf. The collected information is transmitted to the platform for automated analysis. Now we are ready to examine every nook and cranny of the golf course. Shall we explore Meissa Green's features? With Meissa Green, you can intuitively observe the changes in the course over time on a single screen. All captured data is stored in Meissa Green. How does today's turf condition compare to last year, last month, or last week? Manage the health of greens and fairways on a chlorophyll level. How is the chlorophyll level changing? Distribute and manage tasks on the high-resolution map generated today. Accurately record and share who is doing what and when. What Meissa Green creates is not just a simple photo, but a high-precision map. You can measure areas without going to the site and measure the length and undulation of the course with just a mouse click. Promote the ever-changing beauty of the course year-round in both 2D and 3D. Publishing the course renderings on the website allows golfers to vividly experience the golf course even before visiting. Apply for the Meissa Green demo right now.